All workplaces are changing. Whether your workplace is a factory, a healthcare center, the cab of a semi-truck, or an office, you need to manage infrastructure, keep your machinery running, your employees connected, and your spaces safe, all with your eye on the bottom line. With smarter tools that keep pace with your shifting priorities, you can make better business decisions, streamline operations, and make workspaces people want to work in. iOFFICE has expanded our family of cloud-based software so you have enterprise solutions that grow with you. We're helping you connect workplace experience and asset management to create a more agile environment for employees and better outcomes for the world.